Hey everyone, I'm working on the bus today, and one of the things that has been on my to-do list is improving the headlight situation. This bus is a 2010, so it's been around for 13 years, and the original factory headlights are getting pretty bad, both from a headlight bulb perspective and the protective covering that goes over it. So instead of buying a brand new set of plastic headlight covers, which is like 150 to 200 bucks depending on where you're looking, I decided to try this product out. It's called NuLens. It's a complete kit, and it includes all the stuff you need to buff out and turn your headlights from yellow, cracked, not very good, not allowing a lot of light through, into almost like new condition. And I was kind of skeptical because I didn't know if that was really going to be a thing. I haven't done this before, but I'm pleasantly surprised with the results, and we're going to talk about that today and show you that more importantly. If you have a relatively brand new set of headlights and you just kind of need to redo the polish and kind of buff it out, they give you this thing, this drill bit attachment. It is a buffing pad along with the polish that goes on here, and you can just do that. You don't need to do any sort of wet or dry sanding. However, like in our case, when we have really old yellow corroded headlights, you need to do a bit of sanding to get all that junk off. So they also give you the drill bit attachments and sanding paper to go on here. Shake it really well before you use it, and put on about a nickel size worth of polish here.